School children, the disabled, the elderly, all left stranded on Thursday as the public transport service ground to a halt. As industrial action intensified at Citygate, San Fernando, Tobago and Sangre Grande. The action started as early as 4 on Thursday morning in San Fernando and then on to Sangre Grande bus station. Bus drivers have a range of grouses, among them the late payment of salaries, stall negotiations and concerns about health and safety. At Citygate, the parked buses lined the only access to the hub. The police were called in, but the workers were adamant they would not move. The workers are also upset that negotiations have been adjourned to next month. They say negotiations have been outstanding for over 3 years. President of the Transport Industrial Workers Union, Roland Sutherland, believes that the action by the workers is justified because they were not paid.
So things was allowed to operate and workers were not in receipt of pay, and so they took the action that if they ain't paying, that they're not going to work. If they're not going to receive the salaries, they're not going to work. More so that they felt that the behavior of the management by not informing them was contemptuous and very disrespectful.
The PTSC is yet to make an official statement, but Mr. Sutherland says if the workers are not paid, they will not work. Neither will they move defective buses.
Well, that resulted in defective buses being packed up in the yard, and the other buses that are coming in now have some difficulties in maneuvering.
Sutherland says the PTSC management must take full responsibility for the situation, which negatively impacted on commuters.
Well, obviously, the travelling public, once workers take that type of action, will experience discomfort. But that blame has to go squarely on the shoulders of the corporation.
Some commuters rallied in support of the drivers, while others criticized the drivers for the inconvenience.
The rich people over 60 years here have to stand. Right now, they are standing in line over an hour to get a bus to go to Arima.
Calls to PTSC Deputy General Manager Carl Rambio went unanswered. I am Otto Carrington reporting for CNC3 News.